This is a love reading for you, Aquarius, for you and your partner for the month of June to July. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for the two of you. It could be your boyfriend or your girlfriend, your ex, it could be somebody you have a crush on, maybe you're married to. So, this is a general reading. You should know that everything will not resonate with all Aquarius, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the tarot reading? So, Aquarius, you are being guided to follow your gut. If you're not sure how to go about something, then follow your gut feeling. You should trust your instincts, you should trust your emotion, and then follow your heart and do what needs to be done. Your partner has possibly made the proposal to you, because I see a person who's riding a horse. He's almost the groom in waiting or the bride in waiting. So it's quite possible your partner made the proposal to you. Right now, the two of you are thinking, and for your partner, the search is not over. He or she is still meeting the suitable person, because either you're not responding, Aquarius, or you're taking your time, you're taking time to go out, spend time with the partner. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You're somebody who's very adjusting by nature, Aquarius. No matter what is the difficulty shown to you or you are dealing with, you're quite adjusting. You are next to never demanding, or you're next to never complaining. You're very, very adjusting, which is great in a relationship. Your partner has great communication and he or she can micromanage. You are sometimes surprised how does he or she even know this, because he or she can micromanage to a great level. Also, your partner has very good communication, so nothing is left to the imagination. It's almost possible that your partner communicates everything to you to the absolute detail or to the last T. How do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? You very correctly see your partner as this person who's great with communication and is very successful, which is what your partner is. And you feel that this is a gift which has been given to your partner. He or she has not honed it but has been given this gift of gab, or has this very beautiful gift of communication. So you also see that this is possibly the person you want to be with, and you want to make things permanent, because this is also a card of engagement or pregnancy. So you're deciding, Aquarius. You're not saying no, but you're deciding on the plan, whatever the plan your partner has suggested, or how to move forward in the relationship. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as somebody who's very dependable and has a very steady job. So you have no surprises for your partner. That is what your partner loves about you, Aquarius. He or she is able to trust working with you, or is able to depend on whatever that you do, or is able to depend on you for whatever emotional needs or however the things are. You have no surprises. So what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? About the future, I'm saying is you both are not very sure and you're taking your time. So while the partner has shown interest in you, and you also consider, Aquarius, that this may be a good match, but you have not decided about the long term, and your partner has also not made any commitment because no commitment has come from you. The two of you may be even delaying moving to the same city or making any plan of moving into the same house together, because I'm just seeing there's a lot of unsurety. The two of you don't want to make it too fast as a decision. What is the past you're coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, I'm saying is you've lost a lot of money, Aquarius. Maybe you've been working for very long and then you did not get paid enough for all the work you did, and your partner has faced disappointments in terms of love, that they made all the efforts in a love relationship and the other person did not respond. So you both are dealing with a lot of disappointments in the past. Yours were more to do with finances and money, and for your partner it had more to do with love and emotions. Now, what is overall the guidance for the love reading? If I had to just say one line, what rides this whole union or relationship, the answer is confusion. There's a lot of confusion in this relationship or the union. The two of you are not very sure if you understand each other well, and that confusion is more coming from you, Aquarius, than your partner. So when I see the guidance like this, my take really is that you should take your time, but as I said before, you should also trust your gut. You should trust what you're feeling inside and then go ahead with the decision. So this is how the guidance is, Aquarius, for you and your partner for the month of June to July.